Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics that actually affect speed. Check signal strength and known carrier outages, because no tweak fixes a dead tower. Once done, restart your phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network handshake. Make sure carrier settings and your device OS are updated so radios run latest firmware. Also confirm you haven't hit a data cap or carrier throttling, knowing that upfront saves time and points you to the right next steps. Now you dig into settings that materially affect throughput. First, choose the best radio. Try LTE if 5G is spotty, or force 5G when signal is strong because stability often beats peak speed. Next, check and, if necessary, edit or reset your APN. A wrong APN can bottleneck data. Use a fast DNS such as 1 for name resolution gains. Then close background apps, stop autosync, and disable unused tethered devices so available. Finish by measuring. Run speed tests in a few spots and at varied times to identify patterns. This tells you whether it's congestion, location, or plan limits. If indoor signal is weak, use the wired hotspot option, an external antenna, or a carrier-approved booster to raise center. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear corrupt configs. Only do this if other steps fail. If speeds remain poor, contact your carrier with your recorded test data. They can escalate tower or provisioning issues. Troubleshooting tip: when all else fails, swap SIMs with a known good device to isolate SIM versus device problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.